Well, good evening, everyone, and welcome to Meditation Live here with us at Unity Village Chapel. This is Reverend Brandon, and for those of you who were going to tune in to tonight's meditation and expect to spend just a little time in the stillness and with a little music with our very own Joe Cartwright, I apologize. I clearly am not Joe Cartwright. As occasionally happens in this new and exciting world of virtual connection and virtual meditation, technical issues pop up, and so Joe had an issue where we were unable to connect tonight, and so we're going to reschedule him for a date very, very soon. So Joe will be back with us, but in the meantime, we'll get to meditate together this evening. So it'll be me filling in. It's almost like that thing that happens when you walk into your classroom and there's a substitute teacher there. So, surprise, I am your surprise meditator for this evening. And as I said, Joe had a technical issue, and he'll be joining us again very soon. So, for right now, though, for right here, we're going to just take this opportunity tonight to focus in on the presence of Spirit as us, that presence of Spirit that moves through us. And we're just going to take some time connecting with that presence. We'll spend some time in the silence, some time in the stillness, and then, spend some time maybe even blessing our world. And so let's just start out right here and right now by closing our eyes. If that's something that's comfortable for you to do, if you're in a place that's comfortable for you to do that, I just invite you to close your eyes and center yourself right here, right now, right where you are, breathing into this moment. And releasing the breath. Consciously, one more time, we take that breath in. And we release. Allowing ourselves to center into this now moment. To this time, right here and right now. Knowing in this moment our awareness to allow our thoughts to flow either forward or backward, to either dwell on the past or play out an imagined future. Aware of our tendency to do that, we consciously focus right here and right now on this place, this time. Allowing ourselves to become present to the here and now. Frequently in our practice, we talk about wanting to tune out an awareness of the outer, but at this point, we're just going to take an opportunity to allow our awareness to flow through our body, through the room around us. Taking this opportunity to notice where our consciousness drifts. Here and now, we become aware as we continue our time of spiritual connection. we notice our mind beginning to drift to something somewhere else, we take a breath in and we allow it to return to the here and the now. What do we notice about the here and the now? In this place of divine connection, we allow our heart to open. As our awareness focuses and shifts to the deep connection we feel with our source. In this place of divine connection, of being deeply aware of our oneness with one another, our oneness with Spirit, becoming deeply aware of the absolute truth that the things we give to the world are what return back to us. We take this opportunity to consciously radiate the light that we are into our world. Knowing in this moment that we give of our love, of our peace, of our light, from a place of divinity within us, and so there is no limit to what we can give. And so in this moment, we consciously give to our friends, to our family, to our community, to our world, radiating the light of God into our world right now. moving now from a feeling of giving simply to a feeling of gratitude. A time of deeply feeling thanksgiving and appreciation in our hearts. Thanksgiving that we feel for the opportunity to give, for the opportunity to share, and for the opportunity simply to connect with the light and the love of spirit that we are. And so it is with that awareness of gratitude and thanksgiving in our hearts that we allow our attention to begin to return to this time, to this place, carrying with it that deep appreciation, that deep sense of both who and what we are. And with it the awareness to carry that truth of spirit into our daily lives. And it is for that that we are truly grateful in this moment. And so it is. Amen. Well, thank you very much to those of you who have either chosen either live or are watching this in the future. Thank you to those of you who have chosen to spend some time meditating with me this evening. I appreciate it very much. And if you were looking for Joe, well, we'll get him rescheduled very, very soon. So anyway, thank you very much. I hope you have a wonderful evening. God bless you all. Namaste.